Hello everyone, let me show you what I found. So I decided to use the first resource. Um, I simply did a Google on the OpenStax and let me show you what I found. So the website is actually pretty easy to navigate, and as we're looking at the actual resources, I went first to subjects and then I went into mathematics. And within mathematics, I was able to find pretty much everything that we're teaching at MJC. So here we have the non-credit, we have the algebra ones, we have pre-calc, calc, and I actually went into these two. So I checked the stat ones, and the actual statistics, information that we have here, it's actually great. So I reviewed the first book, and the first book seems easy to find, easy to read for our students. So let me just open up a topic that we're actually currently working on. Okay, so this one. And this is what I found on this actual textbook. It's easy to read. It provides formulas. It gives you a nice introduction of, uh-oh, I'm getting a notification. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's gone now. Sorry about that. And basically, it gives you a nice introduction on formulas. It follows by a couple of examples. It even has some for the actual student to try. The notation, it's pretty much standard. This is not the notation that we use in our current textbook, but that's easily changed. And then what I liked about this one is that Um, for the actual student, it allows them a couple of actual solutions to check, and then it's a little bit interactive. You're able to see the solutions and basically move from there. So definitely, a nice book. It has very nice pictures, and like I said, a good amount of homework questions. I also found that some of these have videos, but I can't remember if it was the other book. But overall, I think that this particular ebook is easy to use, and we could easily adapt it into our courses at MJC. Let me see if we can go back to the previous textbook. So I think I have to go again under math, and then within math, here's the second one. And like I said, similar to the previous one, very easy to find, um, easy to read for technically our students.